YouTube can offer huge potential to any creator to find massive success. But in order to do that, creators like you need to stay ahead of the curve. It is essential to be able to identify trends and apply them to your content. So to help you succeed, today I'm going to give you 4 trends that you're going to need to look out for in 2023. Now, these are not specific to any kind of niche. You could be any type of channel and take advantage of these and succeed on YouTube. The first one is probably something you've noticed if you spent any time watching videos lately, and that is silence is trending. If you find yourself watching videos without the sound on lately, then turns out you're not alone. In fact, searches for video captions have increased 185% over the last 5 years. So by now, if you're not adding captions to your long form videos and your shorts, this is something you need to start doing for 2023. It's shown that including subtitles can actually increase your video's watch time by up to 80%. Increased watch time means those higher chances of your videos getting recommended across YouTube to new viewers. I'm gonna recommend a couple of free ways you can do this because I know adding captions is a whole extra thing you need to deal with, and I think I can make it easy for you. The first method is just using YouTube's built-in captioning system. Every video you upload to YouTube gets automatically captioned. And this auto-generated captions feature is a great starting point, but you as the creator also should be going into these videos and adjusting the captions to fix any mistakes that the AI might have picked up. This helps give viewers of your videos the confidence to know that somebody went in and made sure the captions they're reading are accurate. Shorts are a little bit different, so the other tool I recommend is CapCut. These can auto-generate captions for your shorts, and they can even create dynamic captions as well. The next trend you want to look out for in 2023 is less talking and more action. The harsh truth we need to accept as human beings is that, especially in the last several years, our attention spans continue to shrink. In the last 15 years, in fact, our attention spans have gone down to a measly 8 seconds. All that means for us as creators, though, is that the picture on the screen should probably change about every 8 seconds. Additionally, you don't want to be wasting too much time on unnecessary details in your videos. One example of this is maybe in the intros of your videos, stop saying things like, "Welcome back to vidIQ." The name of your channel is right underneath every single upload, so this kind of information is just redundant. The third thing that you need to be working on in 2023 is your ability to relax. Specifically, I mean within your content itself, and this is coming straight from Gen Z. And you might ask yourself, why should I pivot my entire strategy in my videos to appease one generation? Well, in May of 2022, an online survey in the US found that 96% of Gen Z users, which are users born between 97 and 2012, had a YouTube account. For those of you bad at math, that's almost all of them. So whether you're a millennial, Gen X, a boomer, it doesn't matter. It's time to start thinking about Gen Z when you make your videos. By the way, not to start a fight or anything, but let me know in the comments, which generation do you belong to? So where's all this coming from? Well, a 2022 survey found that Gen Z users overwhelmingly want soothing content. 83% of Gen Z respondents said that they watch YouTube to help them relax. Popular forms of soothing content can include journaling, cooking, nature films, or even ASMR videos. And yeah, those are the whisper kind. These weren't the only things, of course. Other popular topics include oddly satisfying clips and even mukbang. Mukbang is actually often live streamed and really popular in South Korea. It generally features people eating large quantities of food while chatting with their viewers. This last one I feel like I talked about a lot last year, but it's just becoming bigger and bigger, and 2023 is no exception. You need to be thinking about shorts in 2023. And at this point, who isn't addicted to watching hours and hours of videos on end? YouTube Shorts makes this naturally very easy, and with 1.5 billion monthly active users and 30 billion daily Shorts views, YouTube Shorts is just a massive opportunity. And if you want to succeed at Shorts, this is what the team over at Google is actively saying. Mainly, you want to learn from creators who are already leading the way, which translates to watch some shorts. You also want to be leveraging the best practices for storytelling to create the most highly engaging shorts. For example, and as we mentioned earlier, your videos, especially shorts, should jump straight into the action. With only 60 seconds available to you for a YouTube short, there is no time to do a huge setup for your story. Just jump in. And if you want even more tips for creating those engaging shorts to have the best chance to succeed in 2023, this video right here has you covered.